we're going to talk about the biggest mistake medical device companies make in the regulatory process. You're under increasing pressure to get a safe and effective device to market as swiftly and cost-effectively as possible. But your ability to meet the objective is dictated by how well you manage the processes that govern your device design and development. Any holdup along the way could result in costly delays, difficulty in securing investment dollars, and even a tarnished reputation. Having worked with hundreds of medical device manufacturers, we have found by far the most common roadblock comes during the regulatory approval process. In many cases, a company will get its product all the way through the point of submission, only to be told that it has not been accepted by any regulatory agency. When that happens, they need to go back to the drawing board, figure out what went wrong, and fix it, which is generally a costly, embarrassing setback. In our experience, it comes down to one fundamental mistake that companies are making. They are not adequately planning from day one. Though taking the extra time at the beginning of a project to define and plan may seem like a waste of time, it is just the opposite. The earlier you start, the more you plan, the more detail you provide, the greater your likelihood of submitting a device that gets accepted and approved and cleared, the faster your time to market. What exactly do I mean by plan? It starts with defining these 4 elements. What is your device? What is the intended use of your device? What is the medical purpose of your device? And who is your device intended for? The answers to these questions will serve as the basis for your entire project. And as you move through your process, continue to revisit and examine your requirements to ensure you're staying on track and adhering to the regulatory controls. And do not forget about validation and verification. They are not the same thing, and these must be completed prior to your regulatory submission. At the end of the day, you want to be sure that you have a comprehensive design history file, DHF, that shows that the design controls process were properly followed and documented throughout your product development. And your DHF should include things like user needs, design inputs and outputs, and design validation and verification, and show all the results. The whole regulatory approval process can seem daunting and overwhelming, but it really doesn't have to. Not if the right steps are taken and the required protocols are followed. Do it right the first time and save yourself money, time, and aggravation. Visit our website for more information about how Sterling can help you pave a smoother path to the regulatory approval and clearance.